How to brighten video in CapCut. Hey guys, in this short tutorial, you will learn how to brighten a video using CapCut. Brightening a video can make it more visually appealing and vibrant, especially if the original footage is too dark or lacks proper lighting. It's a simple process that can be done in just few steps. To get started, open up the CapCut app. Let's start a new project, or you can also select a video from your old projects. Select the video that you want to brighten using CapCut. Once you've imported the video to the editing timeline, tap on it and then swipe left until you see an option of adjust. Tap on it and here you will see an option of brightness. Tap on it again. All you have to do next is move the slider to the right to brighten your video. You can lower the brightness by moving the slider to the left. You can also tap exposure and move the slider to right to increase the exposure level and make your video brighter. If you want, you can adjust the contrast as well. You can adjust the highlights as well. Once you are happy with your video, tap on the check mark at the bottom right to apply these changes to the video. So that time of this tutorial, if you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.